Carl, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. And this playlist is on knives. So I'm a collector of knives, and not going to pretend to know everything about them. I just like them. Got a small collection of about 300 knives. Maybe one day I'll start trading them or selling them, I don't know. But anyway, this knife, wait till the end. I want to give you 3 websites that I like to watch and get a lot of good information on. Each website is concerning knives, and each one has their main topic. So at the end of this video, I'll share those with you. So this is Walmart Christmas 2025 edition. This is called the Thunderhead. Walmart now just started naming their knives. So this is the Thunderhead. Here we go. Right there. 7.5 inch folding knife. Ball bearings, and I'm calling it plastic scales or plastic handles. On the sticker on the back, it has a part number of 61615. Now that is not the USB number. So let's take this thing out of here, see what we can look at. There we go. Comes out very easy. I like the style of this knife. Kind of reminds me of the hot wire. If you know what hot wire is, it's about the same size. And I love the blue liners on the inside. This one's already got some scratches on it. What would make it stand out more if the hardware was the same color as the liners. Here we go. I'll show that to you. Can you see that blue liner in the middle? Anyway, that stands out. Thumb studs on each side. It does not have gimping or jimping or however you want to call it. Vertical both sides. So if you want to call it gimping or if you want to call it jimping, that's up to you. It is a hollow grind. And the secondary bevel looks to be pretty even all the way across on both sides. No play at all in it. So, I'm going to close it for the first time. There we go. Whoops. Little piece of cardboard in there. Let's get that out. The little flipper stud. Right here. It's ground pretty good. Some of them are not rounded over very good, so this one is pretty comfortable. You can either open it with the thumb studs. There you go. Snaps into place. Or you can use the flipper, whichever you prefer. Get easier the more and more you do it. Got a go through its breaking in period. It is centered pretty good. Now the pocket clip right here can be moved from this side to this side. All I gotta do is just take out these 2 screws in the back, put the pocket clip on this side, and put 2 screws back. No issues with that at all. This would be a tip up, which means as you're carrying it, it will be like this in your pocket, with a tip up instead of down. Now that'd be a personal preference, either way, whatever you like it. Not uncomfortable at all. The pocket clip does not bother my hand back here in any way. So it is comfortable to carry or to use. Let's see how sharp it is out of the box. I've got just some regular computer paper here. Now straight out of the opening. Well, that's not too bad. A couple of these Ozark trails that I've opened up does not have a good findings on their out of the box cutting. I thought I felt a little nick in the blade, but when I go slow I don't feel it. Under $8 at Walmart. I don't think you can go wrong with this. Be a good gift for somebody. Last minute gift for somebody at work. That extra family member that happens to show up at Christmas that you didn't have a gift for. These would be good for that. There we go. I like it. No issues with it at all. Okay, the 3 websites. One is a all-around knife review channel and EDC channel. He does lighters and wallets and all kind of stuff. His name is Cutlery Lover. I enjoy his channel a lot. Another young guy is a guy who is a knife maker, and he has really grown in popularity since I've started watching his channel. His name is Kyle Noseworthy. And the third guy is a sharpening expert. He knows just about everything there is to know about sharpening. He'll never admit it, but he knows 1,000 times more than I do. His name is Outdoors55. All 3 channels are on YouTube. I encourage you to check those out. But don't forget to come back and check out my channel too. My name is Carl. I do appreciate you watching.